video, we will show how to use the Control Center to take attendance and add comments to attendance if desired, and also how users are able to interact with the assignments in the Control Center. So once logged into Infinite Campus in the Control Center, you will see your sections, the attendance, and assignment lists. So if we wanted to take attendance, for example, we would click the attendance button. You can see we have present, absent, and tardy. If I have a student that might come in absent at the beginning of class, a comment window will open up and you are able to add a comment. If that student ends up arriving, then we can hit the tardy. And correct our comments. Then as you go through all the students that have arrived in class that day, hit save. If you need to make changes, you can go back into the attendance to make those changes. So now let's look at the assignments. If we go into our assignments for a course, a small side window will open up called Assignments, and this will show all of the assignments given if the All button is selected for the entire quarter or semester of that year, and you can see the list there. If we hit the Unscored button, it will show simply those assignments that have some students that have assignments that are handed in but not scored. And if we click into that, you can see you have some choices as an instructor. If you want to, you've turned them in and all the students have turned them in and you want to, and you've collected them, you can simply click the Turned In button at the top of this window and all of the rest of the students below will show that that's been turned in. In addition, we can turn that off. If you want to give a full score of 15 and then go down to individual students, say, and give them a different score, you can go through and do that also. So there are some choices there for teachers to personalize that option. And then please save once you are finished doing that. You also have a missing window, and if there are no missing assignments, you will see nothing displayed. Let's see if I can find So I have one of my assignments that has one missing assignment from a student, and so when I click missing, that will show up. I can fill in scores once that's turned in. Of course, this one also, just like the unscored column, has a turned in area that I can click in and score those and then save those changes as necessary. Once finished with the assignment area, we can hit the Close button and close once more. We're back to our Control Center, and at this point, just want to remind you, this video we showed how to use the Control Center to take attendance and add comments to those attendance options, and also how users are able to interact with their assignments in the Control Center.